Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove object on CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So here I already have my project. You just need to create a new project and choosing the video that containing object that you want to remove. So here I already have the video, and let's say today I would like to try to change this white icon right here or white object right here. So that the things that you need to do is just go click the clip, and after that we need to copy the clip by scrolling these features downside here into the left side until you found the duplicate. And after you find the duplicate, you just need to go click it. Now the duplicate clip here, we need to change them into the overlay. We need to go back until we find the overlay features, and then you just need to go click it. And the next thing we need to do is just go drag this overlay clip here so that they will have the same position with the original one. So after they already got them, we need to go click the overlay clip again, and we need to find mask tools on these button features. Let's find a mask. Since the object here it's has like square or rectangle, we need to choose the rectangle one. And now we need to isolate the color that have the same color with the closest object that we want to use to cover the object here. So excuse me a little bit. Okay, almost there. Okay, now I already got them. And after you're done, now you just need to go click this checklist button. The next thing we need to do is just go pinch with two of our fingers the overlay clip while drag them until they can cover the item that we want to cover here. And almost there. And here we go. Now the white object is already gone. So that's the way, guys, how to remove an object on the video by the CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.